Hello besties. So today I'm going to start decorating for Halloween. I took down most of my fall decor already and we are going to start off by baking a cake. I was really craving a strawberry cake today, so we decided to make it. My daughter actually helped me bake it. The weather today was really chilly outside, so I'm really glad that we decided to bake a cake. As I started taking out my Halloween decor, I noticed that I have a lot of orange Halloween decorations, and I really wanted to do more of a black and white, but when I took everything out, I noticed that I had too much and I just don't know what to do with it. I am not gonna go donate it because I love all of my Halloween decorations, but going forward, I think I am going to start to purchase only black and white decor for Halloween. As I was recording this video, I was actually watching the movie Labor Day for the third time. Oh my gosh, I love that movie. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have watched it. That is one of my favorite movies to watch during fall time. I accidentally broke the leg on the cat. It wasn't standing up straight, so I tried pulling the leg forward and I accidentally broke it. When I was putting away my fall decor in my bins, I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do for Thanksgiving. If I wanted to take out my fall decor again and redecorate, or if I wanted to go straight into Christmas. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do, so I'm going to leave my bins in my laundry room till I decide. Leave me a comment down below letting me know when you guys start decorating. I don't know, is it too early, like the beginning of November? I know last year I started decorating towards the middle, but I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do this year. It's just a lot of work to take out all of my fall decor again just for a couple of weeks and then put it all back into the bins, take it outside to the shed, and then bring in my Christmas decor. I feel like my Christmas decor is so much work. I think I have maybe like 12 bins or so, plus all of like the trees and stuff. So it's a lot of work, you guys. The one thing that I do love about the bright colors are these mugs. I'm so happy every time I use them with my Halloween decor. I just think they are beautiful. These are the Joanna Parker mugs. All the time I see them, they just bring a smile to my face. They're just so cute. I need to go pick up some candy for these ghosts right here. I want to fill them up, and also for the candy dishes, I'm thinking about picking up some candy corn for these two guys right here. I just think they are so cute and they fit perfectly in here, so I was so happy about that. That's it for this video, besties. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we are now gonna eat some cake since the whole kitchen is clean. See you guys in the next video, besties. Bye.